What, Hulk? We've been listening to Alan Watts. If you guys listen to him, he's really interesting. Look him up if you like consciousness, mindfulness stuff. Look, Hulk, we passed. Good job. Good job. You ready? Sometimes I still look at it and it says, "I'll wait for the pass." Like, I haven't drank in almost a year. And it's like, oh, okay, good, pass. That one mouthwash fail was traumatizing. I was pissed. I was like, I was like, I have not drank anything. That thing better only say pass. But yeah, gotta watch out for alcoholic mouthwash. I didn't know it was so angled on me. Try to get him. I need to get one of those like car cam setups where there's like a camera in the back of the headrest or something. Because he'll just be running back and forth, being crazy, whining, and he just loves to watch. It's like, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up? There we go. You kind of got a little taste. Have a good one.